Hi, I'm Sherry, and I'm going to show you today 3 easy ways to use one of these gadgets, an eyelash curler. If you've never used it before, if you're not really sure how to use it, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways that you can work it into your beauty routine. I'd love to know if you've tried any of these, or maybe you have a different method that you'd like to share with others, and if so, I'd love for you to drop a comment below. If you would love to subscribe to more makeup videos, just hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to find me on social media, you can always find me at Glam Lashes Galore on Facebook and Glam Lashes Galore on Instagram too. So hold on just a minute. I'm going to show you how to use one of these things. So I'm back with the eyelash curler, and I'm going to show you 3 easy ways that you can use an eyelash curler in your makeup and beauty routine. Even if you don't know how to use it, or you've been a little bit nervous about are you doing it the right way or are you not, it is so easy to use. I want to show you how to do this. So because I've had so many power outages in the last week, I went ahead and got my makeup done ahead of time. Just in case I lost power, I wanted to make sure that I could still come here and do this video. So without doing this on my own eyelashes, I have a handy dandy straw, and I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to use an eyelash curler so that it's not stressful, and so that you pick the way that works for you, because we all have different lashes, right? I have really short, really pale lashes. My sister, who's 15 months younger, has lashes for days. They are long and they are beautiful and thick and gorgeous, and they're so long they hit her sunglasses, right? I do not have that problem at all. So I'm just going to use a straw. I just got Invisalign, so I have to use a straw for so many things like coffee and everything. It's all good, but I have straw, right? So what I'm going to show you is, let's say the first way that I probably learned how to do an eyelash curler, and that is, so this part right here is your eyelash, okay? This little bent section right here, we're going to use that as your eyelash. So the first way that I learned is to take the eyelash curler and to do like this and to hold it and to count, 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, or Mississippi, or count like that until 10. And that is the first way that I learned how to do an eyelash curler. Did anyone learn that way? Drop a heart or a thumbs up or something if that's how you learned how to do an eyelash curler. Okay, and it has a rubber edge here, and I really like to buy the kinds that have at least 1 extra refill for you. If you're looking for this one, I can drop information below to find it, because I love this one. But if it comes with an extra rubber refill right here, that is fantastic, because after a certain amount of time, it will get an indentation inside the rubber right here, and then it's not real good for your lashes. It can break them and everything. So I really like one that at least comes with 1 rubber one. So again, that's the first way I learned, is press and hold and count to 10. Now, big tip. Do not use this on lashes that have product on them, right? You want to do this on lashes that are clean and bare and dry. You don't want to do it on lashes that have yesterday's mascara or today's mascara on them. Make sure that they are free of any mascara before you do this method. And with all these methods also. Okay, the second method that I want to show you how to do is one where you pulse and you hold, okay? So you can go pulse and hold and release. And so you're doing the same thing. You're clamping, hold, and release, and clamp and hold and release. And you can do this multiple times if you are more comfortable with this kind of method. And really, this is like any process in the beauty routine. You want to pick what works for you. You want a process that absolutely feels natural, feels easy, feels like you get a really good result with it, right? So that's method number 2, is pulsing the lash, and you can hold however long you want in between, and you can just do like that, right? So give me a like or a thumbs up if that's the method that you try. Okay, method number 3. Method number 3 is where you start at the tip of your lashes, okay? And, well, I guess you could start either way. It's up to you. You could either start at the base or you could start at the tip. But you would make little pulsing movements along the length. Again, whichever way works for you is the right way. Whichever way feels more intuitive to you is the right way. Now, I get really squirmish if I get too close to my eyelid. Have you ever used one of these and pinched your eyelid by accident? It really hurts. And so because of that, you do it once. It's like burning yourself with a curling iron. I'm a girl of the 80s, so I did that quite a bit too. But if you do one of those things, it sort of trains you not to do it again. So again, you do however you want. If it's easier to find your comfort zone away from saying this is your eyelid right here and this is where your eyelashes come out of your eyelid, if it's more comfortable to start at a certain area so that you know you're not going to pinch yourself and then start working up this way, that works as well too. You do it however it works for you. So the 3 methods, and I'll give you a tip in just a second, the 3 methods, excuse me, are to hold it and count to 10 is what I do. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, all those methods, Mississippi, whatever words used to count seconds, that works, holding it for that amount of time. The second method is to pulse. If you prefer that, if that's easier, maybe pulse 5 times or 10 times or whatever that magic number is for you that you feel like is curling your lashes, okay? And then the third method is, and again, this is your lash right here. This is your eyelid where the eyelash hair grows out of the skin, okay, is to find either starting at the tip or starting at the base, whatever, you do it how it works for you, right? Whatever feels more natural, and you just pulse in multiple places along the end of the lash. Those are 3 easy ways to do an eyelash curler. Okay, what do you think? So easy and really easy to see when you use the straw, and you can show the exact placement of where the eyelash curler is going and how you're using it, and are you squeezing it or are you holding it or are you pulsing it? So many different methods. There's no right or wrong way. The only right way is the one that works for you, is the one that's easy, the one that makes you feel comfortable, the one that gives you results that make you love the way you look, no matter your age, no matter what season of life you're in. If you found value in this video, I would be so honored for you to hit that subscribe button, and then you get notified whenever I bring new videos here. And if you would like to follow me on social media, you can always follow me, find me too, on Facebook at Glam Lashes Galore, and I'm on Instagram at Glam Lashes Galore too. I'm Sherry Dias-Malott. Thank you so much for watching. I'll drop the information below.